Flying squads for Imphal West District were formed to ensure safe farming activities and to prevent any untoward incidents during the farming season. According to an order issued by DC Imphal West Mayanglamam Rajkumar, the flying squad for Lamsang Sub-Division will be led by SDC Lamsang Ningombam Rabichandra, SDC Salam Primandi Okram, SDC Sekmai Sujata Thokchom and SDC Headquarters Lamsang T. Nandakumar, while that of Pachoi Sub-Division will be led by SDC Headquarters Pachoi Puyam Rahul Dev, SDC Pachoi Khitrimayam Renu Devi and SDC Konthokjam R.K. Roshan. The order further directed the flying squads to reach out to farming areas in their respective revenue circles twice a week and as and when situations arise. FST headed by SDC Headquarters and non-affected circle SDCs must be on reserve and to act as and when reinforcement is required under the direction of subdivisional magistrates concerned. It also maintained that farmers and farmers associations can reach out to the heads of the flying squads or to the district nodal contact point through mobile number 98620 54678 or to the district control room through telephone number 0385 245 1188.